Upside down stats? Hi, this is Jason Daniels with Finch and Gable Real Estate Company, and wow, we're here looking at the year in review for real estate for 2022. We started off like a rocket ship the first 4 or 5 months out of the year, and as we all know, interest rates came up and things really kind of slowed, not to a halt, but really slowed down, and affordability really has gotten tough. So what does that mean for where we're moving in 2023? Well, we're going to take a look at the statistics here, and we see some kind of backward statistics. And who really knows where we're going to go, but I do find this interesting. 20 years seeing statistics, I haven't seen anything quite like this before. So let's just kind of head and take a look and dig in. So new listings for December of 2022, we had 659 new listings. That's down 30% from December 2021. That's a kind of a big drop. So even when the market was tight last year, or the year previous in 2021, there was 995 listings. So we've got less new listings. Sales, 851 sales here in the Pikes Peak region in 2022 in the month of December. In the year prior to that, there was 1,443. That's down 41%. Sales are down only 9% from the month of November, but year over year, they're down 41%. So the actual number of new listings is down 33%, but the number of sales is only down 40%. So that's kind of interesting. Average sales price. Average sales price in December of 2022 has dropped below the 500,000 mark. We're at $490,910. Whereas in the year before, in 2021 in December, it was $505,852. So a 3% decrease year over year. But the interesting stat is from just November, just in 1 month, the average sales price dropped from almost 26 to almost 491, 6.7% drop in 1 month. So that's maybe a blip, we're not sure. Some people took their homes off the market for the holidays, so we'll see how that plays out. So prices are down. However, prices were up 5% through May. So when we take a look at it holistically, homes are still doing pretty well. I don't think they really truly lost anything if you look at it on an annual basis. The month supply, this is the number of months if no new inventory hit the market, how long would it take to sell what we currently have in inventory? In December of 2021, there was only a half a month of supply, 2 weeks. There was only 2 weeks of inventory. In November of this year, there was 2.6 months, and we've actually seen that drop. Inventory is shrinking. There's 2.2 months. Now, a balanced market is typically somewhere between 3 to 6 months of inventory, depending on the time of year. So we're still seeing it almost, it's not a seller's market, it's not a buyer's market just because of the higher interest rates, but we're seeing inventory tighten up. Now, when we look at the active single-family homes available today, when this goes out the week of January 9th, we're seeing only 1,372 single-family homes available in El Paso County. So inventory is not as low as it was over the past couple of years in the months of January. I remember it getting down under 400 homes, which is kind of scary. So the good news is there's lots of inventory, a lot of availability for buyers that have choice. Again, you're going to be able to pick the home you want. You may have a little bit of time to think about it instead of, hey, you need to submit an offer right now, and you've only been in the home for 15 minutes. So that's good. Interest rates have slowly crept down. We're seeing interest rates some in the low sixes, and even at 15-year and some programs in the upper fives, which is better than they were earlier in last fall, where they were approaching the 7% mark. Ultimately, what's this mean for 2023? Nobody really knows. My gut feeling is that we're going to see interest rates continue to slowly creep down, and hopefully they'll get into the fives if we're lucky, if something happens with the Fed or the economy improves, or maybe we go into a recession and the Fed wants to lower the rates. Again, we may see something in the high fours, but really I'm thinking we're going to land somewhere in the mid to high five for interest rate for 30-year mortgages in 2023. So take advantage of the inventory now as we move into the spring. If we continue this decrease of inventory that we've seen from December to January, that could cause pricing to remain strong and potentially prices to go up. So don't miss out on the opportunity. If it's the right time for you and your family to make a move now, reach out to us. We're happy to help assist you there, whether you're looking to buy a home or you're looking to sell a home. So thanks for watching. 2023 is going to be a great year, and I hope it is for you too.